Hi everyone, my name is Marsha Wilson, and I wanted to tell you about my study abroad. I was recently accepted into Savannah College of Art and Design study abroad program in Lacoste, France, which is a very small village in the south of France. And I'm going as a MFA student of fashion. I get to take photography courses and improvisation courses as a part of my electives, my required electives. And in order for me to get there, I have to purchase a plane ticket. So I am currently hosting a fundraiser on GoFundMe.com/SCAD Lacoste Airfare. Lacoste is spelled Lacoste. So once again, that website is GoFundMe.com/SCAD Lacoste Airfare. You can donate $5, you can donate $20, you can donate $155, you can donate $11. It can be as random as you want it to be. Any amount counts. And I figured that with all of my Facebook friends and with all of my Yahoo networks, LinkedIn networks, anybody that I've ever met, just donating $5 each would be sufficient enough for me to go. So if you have it in your hearts to donate, once again, that website is GoFundMe.com/SCAD Lacoste Airfare. Thanks, guys. I appreciate the support.